Hello? Am I recording? Ugh. All right. I converted the cube into a mesh because I'm just trying to get. All I'm trying to do is just get the vertices from Blender into Vulkan, and I think I'm much closer to getting there because I already have my my parser, my mic. I already have my parser. I already have. I just got rid of all the anything that had to do with a mesh, so I can just load the vertices and then just draw out the mesh. So all my goal is just to get the vertices from Blender into Vulkan. That's my only goal. So I just simplified some stuff, got rid of the UV part of the cube. I guess I don't really need this struct, but whatever. I'll leave it just because why not? So yeah. Now I just need to be able to convert the Blender vertices to Vulkan. So okay. Let's see. I want to go back through my and I know that like technically this isn't going to be that performant, but my goal right now isn't really performance. It's more just figuring out how things work. Well, the parser isn't anyways. But it'd be better if I could eventually take the vertices and like put it into a struct so that I can just read it that way, or maybe binary, I don't know, and then just read from the binary. I think that would be, much better. So, but yeah, for now I'm just gonna do it this way to make it simpler, simpler. Let's find the spot where I want to see what happens. Like I have triangles here. Like, can I remove the triangles? Because if I can and just work with the quads, that's why I was trying to figure out more about the index buffer and seeing if, because what this does, it looks like it takes things when you already have triangles and then, makes less vertices because it says, oh, there's two triangles here. We don't need these two vertices. They share the same point. But I kind of want to do almost the opposite because Blender already has it like this, and then I need to convert it to this. But then maybe if I used an index buffer, then I don't know. That's the thing that I'm trying to figure out, I guess. Great song train. I'm going to ask and see. Can I change this code to use quad? But the thing is, I want to see something else. How Blender works with vertices, because where's it at? So you can tell already that it's kind of doing the same thing. Like there's two triangles, but these 2 points share vertices, so it's not going to make two vertices. But what if I like kind of added, I can't. This is the thing I actually don't know. Like, how can I force another triangle to be here, like split in between here? What if I went here? I'm gonna look this up. New Blender. Control right click. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I did add a new vertex, but apparently there's a new vertex there, but I don't really see it. I know there's a I really want to make a new edge. I mean, I could just simplify this for now and just I know I can do here, and I know I can select this. That's not going to work. Oh, knife tool. Isn't that like F or something? K? I guess I could do that. Aha! And I have to hit right click to confirm? No. Forgot how to confirm this space. Maybe that did it? I think that did it. Yeah, there we go. I forgot why I was doing that now. Let's see, I don't want faces don't faces that share vertices. I feel like I'm saying vertices plural. I think it's vertex. I think I keep saying it wrong. I think vertex is plural. Oh no, vertex is singular. Okay, I guess I'm saying it right. I want to make sure that faces that share vertices don't have the same vertex. Yeah, so this is what I want. Perfect. And then it'll work with Blender, I think. It's going to have me use an index buffer. Yeah. Yeah. I just want to make sure this is saved. Oh, that's the only thing I did. Just subtract one little line. All right, let's see how this works. Switching to an index buffer here. Cube vertex, unique vertices. I'm going to keep it the name cube. I don't need to name it something else. I think these should be the same. At least I hope so. All right, cube indices. Whoops. Really should work on how I'm naming these. Oh well. The thing is I don't know if Blender really has. Now this brings up another problem because there's no indices in this file that I know of. Oh well, let's just try to work with making this an index buffer first. Eight vertices plus 36 indices. We'll do one thing at a time. I think I was jumping the gun. Oh, because I named that. Okay, let's just rename this. Cube indices. Nice. I did define that, didn't I? I just defined down here. Put it right here. It's fine. I never read from cube yet. This is my main, yeah. It's cube indices. I am concerned that this might not actually be enough. Because, yeah, that's not. I'm going to show it my draw, my command buffers stuff. Oh, geez. I don't need to update my shader. I shouldn't. I don't think I need to do that. Since we are... Oh, yeah. Well, binds the vertex buffers here. Okay. I'm just gonna see. Okay. I don't need these. I shouldn't need these. I think it, I don't think. Just see what happens. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I think it's just gonna. Oh, the descriptor pull, descriptor set. Oh, is that what it? Can I really get it? Okay, yeah. Aha. So now to simplify all of this, get rid of all these functions that I don't want to look at. Oops. Should be good, I think. Just call it. Have less to look at now. I'm just gonna go for it and just the mesh isn't gonna look correct, but I just want to try it. Where does it? So what I could do instead of this, I could do my parser thing, which I already know isn't gonna show up correct. Just see what this does for this time being. Okay, that gave me all the vertices. Cool. Now I can change BK device size, buffer size equals size of float time. I think I can do that. And then there we go. That fixes one problem, but we need the vertex count. Vertex count. Oh wait, verts. Sorry, I don't need to do it like that. I think I can just do size, really. Now I gotta find in this function where the heck I used look for there's a way to I don't remember how to do that. We don't want a memcopy cube, we want a memcopy. Actually, let's just rename this to cube, I guess. I should not free yet. Okay, well, we kind of got something. Those are the vertices from Blender, but you can obviously tell what the issue is here. So we're parsing the file, the OBJ file. We're getting the vertices. I mean, obviously we got to do more than that. But cool thing is that we're slowly getting there. I'm actually going to make a new branch for this. Okay, I'm getting so much closer, but obviously I have a lot of work to do. Get everything. I don't know if I can do that. OBJ. What else is it going to need to look at? Maybe I think it'll be fine with just that. Maybe the command pull? What's on the command pull buffers? What I have going on? Oh, that's just creating the command. Okay, yeah. Oh, it says that. I'll give it my vertex shader as well, I guess. I'm not going to mention an index buffer because maybe there's another way. I'm not using UVs. Oh, does it? Does it? Oh, yeah, you're right. It does. Frag you. Didn't realize I was doing that. I think I can just remove this anyways. I don't think it'll... But then I have to update my fragment shader. Fingers crossed. Didn't crash. All right. That's a good sign. That is a good sign. I don't think it knows. You know what? I might have to do this myself. It's all right. Yeah, this is exactly. What is it doing here? Oh, it also handles F. So it handles the vertex and then it gets something from F. Parse F lines, use indices to build the actual triangle array. Interesting. Okay, let's just see what this does. So it's going to use that as well. Whatever, float pointer. You don't have to complain. Float pointer. I need to. Oh, what? It worked? Oh my goodness. Wait. Let's try making a new mesh. Like, this is, if this really worked. I'm going to have to look through this more, but let's just do something weird to the mesh. Just something slightly different. Edit mode. Let's just like make it a rectangle instead. Let's extrude this face out a little bit. And that works. Export. Development. MyGet. Learning Vulkan in C. Blender to Vulkan. And we're going to name this Cube 2. Cube 2. Export. Now let's read from Cube 2 and see if that works. Draw, is it something vertex? There we go. So now instead of reading from cube.obj, it's read from cube2.obj. That is not quite, it's getting there, but it's not quite correct. Because I'm missing edges. It's definitely way closer, but not there. Neatly correct. I am missing edges in my mesh. Mesh, whatever. Let's see what else it can do. for me here. And then I'll have to read through this code, see what it's doing, figure it out. And the process goes on and on and on and on and on. See what this is doing. Always gotta cast it to a float pointer. There's still edges missing. Sir, I'm missing some edges. Edging. I shouldn't say that word. It's cube 2. Oh, right. Okay, I knew it. I mean, slowly but surely. What did I not make? Yeah, buddy, it's working. We got a mesh from Blender that's in Vulkan. Not that it's the most optimal way to do it or the best way to do it, but it's happening right now in front of your eyes. Yeah. Let's just mess with this mesh a little bit more. See if it can handle this. Name this cube 3. Oh my goodness. It's working. It's happening. All right. I'm going to be done for today. I accomplished the thing I wanted to accomplish. I have other things I need to do for the day. Yeah. Fun stuff. Maybe I'm going to go through this, try to figure out exactly what it's doing, and I think I'm going to make a video on it. So if anyone's curious, because I have to learn it myself, because I don't really know exactly everything that's happening because I used AI for part of it. So, you know, that's that. So I'm going to have to walk through the code myself and figure out what's happening. And if I get to that point where I, you know, can figure it out, then I'll make a video on it. But all right, I am done streaming.